we will learn how to import and export the text file and how to calculate the summary statistics of the dataset. Right. So right now I am using a file called box office data. Right. So this file consists of revenue generated in US, international, like apart from US, worldwide, of 28 English movies which are produced in past, right? So these are the column present in the file. So number of theaters in which it was launched, what is the opening revenue, what is the revenue generated in US, and these numbers are in millions. International revenue, which is revenue generated outside US, worldwide revenue, whether it was a profit generated movie or not, right? And whether it was a sequel movie or not. And here you have a genre of the movie, whether adventure movie, action movie, and so on. Let me just quickly read the text file. So in order to read the file, there's a function called read.table for text file. First argument, you have to mention the name of the file, which is boxoffice.txt. Separator, because a text file, so the separator is /t. Header is equal to true because you want first row as the header of the data set. So this is how your data looks like in R. Now we will quickly check what are the different column names present in the file box office. So there are 16 columns, right? 15 columns right now, right? So these are indexed from 1 to 15. So now we will calculate a variable called average revenue per theater, right? So in order to do that, we will use the variable called world revenue, right? Revenue generated worldwide, and box office is our data frame. So box office dollar worldwide revenue slash used to divide the number, and then that is divided by number of theaters, which is theater column present in the dataset box office. Once I execute this, a new column will be created in this dataset at the end of this dataset, which is average revenue per theater, and these are in $1,000,000. Right now, next step is to check the structure of the dataset. So structure tells me that whether it is a integer, column is integer, is a factor or categorical, or it is a number. For example, your title is a factor, which is a categorical in nature. US release is a categorical in nature. Coming to sequel is integer 0, 1. Budget is again your number. Opening is your number. Theater is integer because there is no decimal places. US revenue is a number, right? And so on. So now I will just uh, find out the summary statistics. Summary statistics will be for only those metrics which are either integers or number and which are not categorical, like 0, 1 or male, female, and so on. So if you can check the names of the variables present in this particular data set, you can see that from index 8 budget till index 13, these are all numbers, right? And you can calculate the minimum, maximum, q1, q2, q3, and mean of these variables. Profit is again 0, 1, which is whether it's a profit making or not, so we cannot calculate any min max of these. Whereas for again L opening and average revenue per theater, we can calculate the summary statistics. So in order to calculate the summary statistics, there's a function called summary, then name of your data set, and that is then indexed for the columns for which we want to calculate the summary statistics, 8 to 13, comma 15 and 16. Once I execute this, a table will be printed in R console, which will consist of min, max, median, average, or mean, q1 and q3, right, for all the variables that are present in the dataset. Now next step is to export this file. In order to export the text file, the data frame into a text file, the function is write.table. First argument is the name of the data frame which is present in R. Second argument is the name of the file which you want to export, say box office new.txt in quotes, and the third argument is row.names is equal to false because it do not want row index in the final file. Now final file has been exported to your working directory. I hope you like this video. Thank you.